If you ever wanted to make extra money on your own terms whenever it fits into your schedule, then this video is for you. Because today I'll show you 9 legit gig economy apps that let you work on your own terms, completely free to join and available in many countries. But before we get into the list, I'll also quickly explain what the gig economy actually is and the big pros and cons you should know before starting, so you'll see if this truly is for you or not. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I have tested hundreds of earning platforms over the years. And in this video, I picked out 9 of the best gig economy platforms that can actually help you earn flexible income without fake promises. We'll go over what these jobs involve, how much you can realistically expect to earn, and which ones are best depending on your skills and goals. So let's start by quickly looking at what the gig economy really means and how it works in practice, and then I'll show you my top picks. So what is gig economy? Well, gig economy jobs usually mean short-term, flexible jobs that you can do often in your local area, not online side hustles necessarily, which I also have a lot of videos about here on my channel. If that's what you want, then you can just have a look around my channel. But often when we talk about gig economy jobs, it's often real world gigs you can pick up whenever it fits into your schedule. It can be jobs like delivering food or groceries, walking dogs, helping people move, assembling furniture, running errands for others, and many other different types of tasks. And you typically get the work through an app or website which connects you with people nearby who need those tasks done. So the idea is simple, you are not tied to one employer, so the big advantage is freedom. You decide when, where, and how much you want to work. But that freedom also comes with a few downsides you need to consider. For example, you're not typically guaranteed a steady income, and you don't get benefits like vacation pay or health insurance and things like this. But if you find the right jobs, it can give a nice extra income. But let's dive a bit more into the earning potential before going over the 9 options I want to show you. So how much can you earn from gig jobs? Well, when it comes to gig work, your earnings can vary a lot, and that's one of the biggest things to understand before you start. Most platforms pay per task, per delivery, or per hour, depending on the job. For example, a food delivery might earn you anywhere from $5 to $20 depending on the distance, the tips you get, and the time of the day. And some apps also have peak hour bonuses or minimum guarantees during busy times. In general, if you stay consistent and plan your routes or schedules smartly, you can often make around $15 to $25 per hour for popular gigs like delivery or local tasks in areas with good demand. But in smaller towns or slow periods, it can be much less. Also, be aware that the earning potential will vary a lot depending on your country. In some countries, the earnings will be a lot less than what I just explained here. Another thing to keep in mind is that you are usually responsible for your own expenses, for example, like fuel, parking, or wear and tear if you use your car. So your real profit can be lower than what the app or website shows. So that's why I see gig jobs mainly as a flexible way to make extra money or a way to fill gaps between other work rather than something to fully rely on long term, unless you find a niche or location where demand is strong enough to sustain it. But let's now go over the 9 platforms you can find work like this. It's not a prioritized list because a lot of it depends on your preferences when it comes to the type of work. Also, keep in mind that you can join several platforms which can increase your chances of finding work. You can also join the platforms that have very different types of work, so there's more variation if you would like to do different types of tasks. First platform is called ShiftSmart, and here you can find work as, for example, store assistants, retail auditor, or tech product tester, some different types of tasks. Just be aware that this one is only available in the US. You can sign up on the website, but it also has an app, so you can download both for iOS and Android devices. And as you can see on the website, it also says you can work as much or as little as you like. Next is GigSpot, and this is available in the US, Canada, Australia, and Mexico. It is an app you can download for both iOS and Android devices. You can see that mainly it is mystery shopping type of jobs, and it gives you access to a lot of different types of work like this in your local area. Personally, I think mystery shopping jobs can be a fun way to earn a bit extra. Just always make sure you read the conditions carefully, because if you miss some of the instructions, you can end up not getting paid. So that's very important to remember. And let's move on, because I'll just quickly go over the different options to give you an overview and an idea and inspiration. Then later I'll also tell you how you can find more information about each of these platforms here. But the next option here is great for you if you like animals. It is Petbacker. It is where you can become a pet sitter. It is available, as you can see here, in many different countries and many different languages. It is free to join, of course. Also there you can decide how you want to work, what type of pet sitting jobs you want to do, and then you just need to, of course, do a proper job. And you can see also here why they recommend that you use the app there, because you'll get the notifications, you can send photos there, you can get real-time reports and all these different things here. So definitely an interesting type of work if you like animals. Before moving on, I just want to remind you that the majority of you watching have actually not subscribed to my channel, and this can be a free and very easy way to support my channel so I can keep making value-based videos like this. So I would really appreciate if you just double check and make sure to subscribe, and also please hit the like button here so we can help spread this video more. I would appreciate that support. Next we have TaskRabbit, and this is available in several different countries. I believe it's around like 8 to 10 countries or so, but it has a specific platform for each country, so you would need to search for your specific country. But it has a lot of different type of work. You can see, for example, help moving. It can also be furniture assembly, IKEA assembly, painting, interior design, a lot of different tasks. And you can see also here what the rates usually are for this type of work, and also select your area. Again, this will vary depending on the area and the country and all that, but I do like that they give examples of this. So let's say you wanted to furniture assembly, then they say often people charge around $41 per hour for that. If it's flooring and tiling help, then it's higher. Disaster recovery, you can see, then it's a lot lower, but it gives you a good idea, so you can go here and get some inspiration for what type of work you can offer here. Next we have Field Agent, and you can see it is available in these 8 countries here: US, Canada, Mexico, Ecuador, UK, Spain, South Africa and Australia. The type of work you can find in here is, for example, audits, where you collect photos and information about in-store products and prices and displays. From what I have seen also and heard also, this is the most popular type of work you can find in here, but you can see sometimes you can also find other work here like mystery shopping jobs, scavenger hunts, I Spies, where you collect details and codes about products available in-store, their ratings and reviews, where you buy a product, you try it, and then you leave an honest review about it online. So it has quite a lot of different types of work. It is an app, so you need to download it on your phone. Again, it's free, and then you can find the work that is available in your area. If you want to do a delivery job, then becoming a dasher for DoorDash is one of the most popular options. It is available, as you can see, in US, Canada, Australia and New Zealand, and that basically means that you just sign up there. You can find food delivery options where you have to bring the food to people, and then you'll get paid, and in most cases you will also then get to keep the tips. So if you do a good job, you're fast and give a good service, then it can give some nice extra earnings from the tips. Bellhop is next, and this is specialized in moving gig, so you can become a mover and work when it fits into your schedule. And it says here you can make up to $21 an hour, including tips and bonuses. You will then get paid weekly, but remember that this hourly rate here they mentioned is including tips and bonuses, so it's not the base rate, so it's not a guaranteed rate. Just keep that in mind. Also, this particular one is only available in the US, but if you live in the bigger cities in the US, it can be a way to find quite decent work, or quite a lot of work, so you can earn some nice extra money. You can see the locations it's available in here, so in many of the states in the US. If you want to work in hospitality whenever it fits into your schedule, then Quick is an option for that. Again, you can download the app and easily find these hospitality jobs in your local area. Some of the work exams you can see can be front of house, back of house, and catering and events. There are many different type of work, and from what I have seen, usually the pay is somewhere between $20 and $30. Again, this of course can vary depending on the exact job, the time of the day, all these different things. And also be aware that Quick is currently only available in the US. The last option I want to show you is called PawShake. This is another great option if you like animals and want to become a pet sitter. It's available in quite a lot of different countries, as you can see here. So from many different countries you can find work in your local area. Again, exactly how much work there is will depend on the exact area you live in, but you can choose the prices. Of course, you need to set the prices so it makes sense compared to what others are offering, but you can go and see easily here what others are charging on the platform, which can give you some inspiration so you also price your services correctly. So as you can see, there are some great gig economy jobs you can find, and there are many different types of work. So no matter your preferences and what type of work you want, there are some really great opportunities. And if you put in enough time and effort, get good ratings, all these, it can build up to some really nice extra income. In some cases, even more than just extra income. And I actually have a full list where I have an overview here where there are even more than these 9 options here. Also there, you can find links to full reviews and tutorial I have of each of these platforms. So if there's one of them you want to know more about, you can just hop to this list here and then go and find that full review. I have all that on my website. I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. If you think that you would also like to do some other side hustles than just these gig economy jobs here, for example, some that are online so you can do it from home, then I also do have a list of the best side hustles on my website. I have around 20 side hustles there, different types of side hustles. Gig jobs is just one of those. So if you want some more inspiration for different ways to make extra money, I'll leave a link to that below. And finally, I also do have a free email course you can sign up for. I'll leave a link to that below, where you will get 5 days in a row an email completely free that will teach you some of the best free ways to make money online that I have come across after having tested hundreds of different methods. So make sure to check that out below. And also, if the video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.